Welcome to our guide on how to smoke like a pro in Valorant. Today, we're diving deep into map callouts and understanding their importance in your gameplay. Before we get into specifics, let's understand the basics of smokes. Smokes are essential for blocking enemy sight lines and controlling the game flow. Now, let's go through some key map callouts for each Valorant map. Knowing these will drastically improve your communication and strategy. Effective smoke placement can completely change the flow of a round. We'll cover key positions on each map where smokes can be most impactful, while holding down sight lines and executing strategies. Using smokes correctly can give your team the upper hand. Let's explore how to utilize them effectively. Communication is key in Valorant. We'll discuss the best ways to outline your smoke plans with your teammates using specific callouts. Timing and location are crucial. Learn when and where to deploy your smokes for maximum effectiveness during a match. Even seasoned players make mistakes. Here are some common errors to avoid when using smokes in Valorant. Practice makes perfect. Discover effective routines to help you master your smoke skills and elevate your gameplay. By mastering the art of smokes and understanding map callouts, you can elevate your game to a whole new level. Happy gaming!